The small towns of Lincoln County are hurting. With only 5,300 residents, the tax base is small, which is why county services barely operate in the black. The largest employer in the county is the classified military base, Area 51, and by law, the county can't tax a federal facility. But it can demand taxes from the for-profit private contractors who operate out there. Except in this case, no one from the county is allowed to set foot on the base to make assessments. The county relied for years on satellite photos to guesstimate what taxes it might be owed, and the Air Force has paid on behalf of the contractors, money that has kept Lincoln County afloat. But there's long been a suspicion that the payments were way too low.
We knew there was more stuff going on out in the area among ourselves, and then we looked into what we could do to probably raise the taxes, because Lincoln County is pretty much broke, sir.
County Commission Chairman Ed Higby and his DA, Dan Hoagie, took the point in negotiating a new deal with Area 51, a deal initiated by a third party, private consultant Ashley Hall, former Las Vegas city manager. It was this deal that caught the ire of state tax commissioners who grilled Lincoln County officials for hours, but were repeatedly told it's all hush-hush.
Why can't you talk to us in ways that you sign?
I signed a non-disclosure agreement.
We lost you. Can't hear you. You signed a non-disclosure agreement with...
Yes, I did. Yeah.
With who?
As we all.
With who?
With the people that we made the deal with.
We can't talk about anything that goes on out of the area.
Commissioner George Colasas, who led the grilling, says he thinks it's, quote, secrecy of convenience, having more to do with the Ashley Hall contract than with national security. The commission heard from Lincoln County's treasurer and assessor, both of whom were shunted aside by the special contract, which agreed to pay Hall 25% of any money he might squeeze out of the Air Force for back taxes. The Pentagon agreed to pay $1.8 million, a bonanza to a county that's broke. But the county insisted it's not tax money, it's a contract settlement. By calling it something else, the county doesn't have to give a piece to the state. What it would do is pay $480,000 to Ashley Hall. Commissioners were not amused by the word games.
If it quacks like a duck, if it walks like a duck, and if it looks like a duck, it's a duck. This is tax. You can call it whatever you want to call it, but this is tax. And the agreement confirms its tax.
Representatives from Lincoln County school, fire, and hospital districts told the commissioners they agree the deal stinks because calling it something other than a tax means their struggling operations would get nothing. The most heated moments came when commissioners asked how the deal with Ashley Hall was worked out. They said Hall cannot legally operate as a tax assessor since he isn't certified, and they wondered why Chairman Higby signed a separate and more lucrative deal with Hall 4 days after the Air Force agreed to pay $1.8 million.
Mr. Higby, and I understand from the minutes, apparently, did you vote on this contract?
Yes.
Do you have a relative that works for Mr. Hall?
I do.
Turns out Chairman Higby's first cousin, Vaughn, works for Ashley Hall and was instrumental in cutting this deal.